this HHO Hot Rod. I wanted to show you the antique equipment I'm using. This is the old battery charger we've had in the family since I was born. So I wouldn't trust the amp meter on that thing. But it's running down here to the marine battery. It's an Everstart or Max Marine. Here's the numbers on it. Amps are cold cranking amps are 875. It's a pretty good battery. It releases the charge at a even rate. That's what those marine batteries are designed to do. And here's the catch bucket if something goes awry and I spring a leak or something. And that's the big generator. And this is inside of it. I put new electrolyte in it yesterday and conditioned the cell. And I noticed it took a while for it to really start producing. I don't know if it just had to charge the water for a while or what, but once it got going, it went pretty good. I'll set this up on the camera stand and let you get a bird's eye view of what goes on. Be right back. Getting ready to hook up the wing nut, and power's on. I'm just going to leave the wing nut off of it, that way I can pull a plug on it real quick. As you can see, it don't take very long for it to start producing. With a cold startup, that's power off. You can see it's still producing. So I don't know what the deal is on that. Something new I found out the other day whenever I was conditioning the cell. But let's power on. That's off. So, pretty interesting. It keeps on working for a little while after it's unplugged. Don't know why. Don't ask me, because I don't understand it. But I'm going to have some new tools coming in 15 days. I got a new battery charger coming in that cranks out 55 amps. I got 2 multimeters coming in and some other stuff. A laser pointer temperature gauge. So it'll be interesting to see. I'm just going to hook this up and let her run. I'm twisting the nut on it right now. It'll be interesting to see what this thing's really doing as far as amps and volts and stuff like that, but seems to be boiling that water pretty good. And that is distilled water and baking soda. I've got a 304 non-magnetic stainless steel 22 gauge liner on the inside, and I got stainless steel all thread, stainless steel washers, stainless steel nuts. All this is all stainless steel. And the way I designed it is you can completely fill this container up with water if you wanted to, or not water, but your electrolyte solution, and you could run just a bubbler for the flashback and reservoir, so you wouldn't have to worry about none of that getting into your cell. So this can be made at any size. I just wanted to make a big one because I was wanting a lot of volume of gas. And I was also curious to see how much power it'd draw too if you made a bigger one instead of a small one. So we'll find out that information whenever I get my new tools in. So this is HHO Hot Rod signing out for now, and it'll be a while before I check back in whenever I get my new tools, and I'll do a few more experiments for you and let you see how things are going. See y'all later.